try to make this short. It's kind of almost a crisis in cosmology kind of deal for physics, or for my brain at least. We have the sun. We have the Earth with the little M on there for the moon. It goes around the sun. It takes 365 days for that to happen. Is there like tension on the Earth from the sun? Well, of course there would be. That's gravitational pull? That I can understand is what I'm trying to get at. The sun is moving through the universe at like mind-numbing speed. I didn't write that down. That's what that little arrow's for. Look that one up. It's moving right along. Actually, faster almost than it should is what I'm trying. This is what this is about. But the Earth is moving around it. Here is the sun in respect. The Earth is turning. The rim speed is 1,000 miles per hour. Well, the moon's rim speed, it does 27-day rotation around the Earth's axis, but the rims, or the speed of that it's doing it is 2288, is how fast the moon is whipping around. It doesn't change whether it's here or there or anything. If anything, the gravitational pressure of the Earth would dull it down. It would be more extreme, is what I'm trying to get at. The moon is oblong. It's like an egg. This is kind of wonky. Okay, it's more like an egg with a smaller point in the front, moving out and back. It's been hit in the back by a mass that's 4.8 quintillion ton. Kind of a big rock is what I'm saying. There's a flat spot. That's what I was trying for. It's almost like anti-gravity in nature to this flat spot. That the rim of the flat spot is like magnetic. Anti-magnetic is what I meant. Like low, almost none. To the rim is magnetic. That could have been just the impact doing that, is what I'm trying to get at. Could have been, is what I'm saying. The moon is made up of, not real sure, but the basalt that we brought back, that they brought back bunches of, is what I'm trying to get at, is high in aluminum and titanium. Is there a reason to go back to the moon? Yeah, there is. Is it we are doing here because we're chest pounding Christian national, like we're doing it for God, glory, and country kind of thing? The Chinese launched a satellite around the moon. They're going after this rock. Okay, without this rock, this very dense rock, and I think it has something to do with why the moon is locked in geo-orbit, is what I'm trying to get at. If they mine that in this thing orbits or anything to that effect, we lose our title. We lose as a species. Earth is no longer habitable. Period. It's not. This is not maybe. This is real. The moon is 75 quintillion tons of mass. 30. Quick numbers. It's less than that. These are more or less than that. So I'm just doing this for like a loaded dice kind of thing, for perception. It's 35 on each side. That's the lodestone. If you were on this kid's ride, remember this ride of doom, okay? If you're in the center, you're fairly safe. The farther you move out to the edge, the more sickening it gets, is what I'm trying to get at. I tried to calculate it with the AI. They couldn't give me a rational amount of pull that the moon is being pulled like this. It's more than our gravitation. It's like it cancels out because the Earth and the moon are perfectly the moon is moving away slightly. We can't jack with this. This is not a maybe. This is real. Just take it for what it's just real. Like messing with the little rocks on the bottom of the ocean that make oxygen. Leave them alone. The greedy billionaires have to stop. There's some things that we don't comprehend yet. Humanity, the best example that I have for humanity is it's like children playing in the dirt, and they have marbles in the circle. In the third marble from the middle, the bacteria on that marble thinks it's in control of the game. That's where we're at. Y'all, there's some things we can do, some things we shouldn't do. Okay, talk to you then.